everybody, this is Yashika. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't been posting for a long time because I was busy with work. For us in the hospitality business, December and the first week of January is really busy here at Moksham. Now everybody has checked out and we're seeing some slow days before we start seeing guests again. I had some time in my hand, so I thought why not shoot a day in my life kind of a vlog. I'll be doing some things here and there. I'm starting the day during the afternoon time and I'm about to have lunch, so come on, join me. For lunch I've made rajma today. This is some local rajma, lots of ghee and winter salad. There's something so deeply comforting about the winter sun wrapping you in its warmth while you're sitting there, and the cool breeze still hitting you, so it's still winter. Today, all of us decided to enjoy a simple meal outdoors under the golden sunlight. My brother in law was here from Bombay, and then there's my husband sitting there. They were not very comfortable being captured while eating, so I kind of cut their faces, and I'm just showing you how beautifully we enjoyed the meals. Eating with my hands, I feel so grounded. I feel the connection to the food. I mean, it's a moment for me to slow down and savor every bite and soak in whatever there's in my plate. And moment like these reminds me of the simplest joys of life, good food, warm winter sun, and some shared company. It truly nourishes my soul. There are so many benefits when you eat with your hands. It enhances digestion, and then it is also, I feel, mindful eating because we slow down and we enjoy every bite. And there's also better portion control. I feel when I eat with my hands, I recognize when I'm full faster rather when I'm eating with a spoon. I wanted to share about this salad. So this is a winter salad. You slice carrots and cucumber, radishes, whatever, beetroot, whatever you find, and then I've chopped up few garlic, green chili, mashed it up all together, coriander and namak, and mixed it all together. I saw this recipe on my sister-in-law's feed, Fun Food Floric, Hina Gujral. शी इज़ अ वेरी renowned फूड ब्लॉगर. तो उनके पेज पे मैंने रेसिपी देखी एंड आई कॉपीड इट. ओ माय गॉड, इट इज़ टू यम. After lunch, I decided to catch up on some work. This balcony of our cafe gets a good amount of sunlight throughout the day, and my dogs were just lazing around me. I love working here, looking at the view. I really enjoy here, and I feel I'm more productive when I'm sitting in this position and working. Then I decided to go down to the camps and have a look. Plants really amaze me all the time. I mean, peak winters and a sunflower is still blooming, though the size is very small, but quite surprising. And then geraniums, ये तो मेरे favorite हैं because these are the ones that bloom for me throughout the winter, and these are here, in the open with no shade on top of them, so ये पाले से भी protected नहीं है. But they're still blooming. Though इनका size and जो मेरे pot में हैं जो पाले से protected है उनके size में काफ़ी फ़र्क है. But still, they add such a the much needed color in the garden during winters. I never leave the opportunity to gather seeds. ये cosmos seeds हैं. I love cosmos. And इतनी बढ़िया तरीके से ये seeds crisp हो चुकी हैं on the plant itself. It's difficult to record with one hand and collect at the same time. So these are the camps. We have 8 camps in total, and ये सिर्फ बाहर से camp material हैं. From inside they are like proper rooms. This is the entrance to our camps. We have 2 camps in each platform. One is here, the other is here, separated by these balcony doors so that you have your own privacy. Let me show you guys how our camps look. So this is the red colored door. This camp is called Nirvana, and this is how the room is. That's how it is, with a dressing table, your bed, and look at the perfect winter sunlight streaming through that window on the bed. यहाँ पे दिन में सोने का मज़ा ही अलग होता है. And then we have a heater for winters, and we also have electric blankets which are on the mattress. We have an attached washroom with geysers and English toilet and some toiletries. And Nirvana are the short valley view camps. We call them short valley because थोड़े यहाँ पे पेड़ हैं, and let me just zoom out, and basically that's the Dapka valley. From the other camps, that is Kevalya. The valley is visible here, more of the forest. For us, it doesn't make a difference, but we realize that sometimes guests complain about, the view being blocking because of the trees. Frankly, we can not do much about the trees here because we're in the middle of a jungle. So to make it easy for the guests to understand, we've separated our camps for Nirvana, short valley views, and for Kevalya with long valley views. So our guests have just checked out, and the staff was here making the rooms, and I always make it a point to come and check whether the rooms have been made properly or not. Thankfully my staff does a very good job. जब भी guest check out हो and guest के check in से पहले I come and have a look around the rooms and the washroom to see अगर कुछ गलती से कुछ रह तो नहीं गया है. Because I am that kind of a traveler. The first thing that I notice when I enter a hotel room is whether the pillows are clean or not, whether the washroom is clean or not, and I am that kind of finicky. So when we started Moksham, I knew that one thing जो मैं top priority मेरी रहेगी, that is going to be cleanliness, and thankfully our guests never complain about hygiene issues. And the sunlight that enters the room is the biggest blessing, because sometimes hotel rooms have that mushy smell, that perfume smell, that human smell that is left behind when people have stayed in the room. But thankfully we are blessed with sunlight entering all our camps, so our rooms are properly baked in sunlight and it remains fresh. So yeah, that's one thing. I was appreciating the sunlight because I was sitting here. I make it a point that my rooms are 100% clean. There's not even a stain mark that remains on my bedsheet, my towels, and that's the reason we don't do room service, because when you do room service, sometimes stain idhar udhar lag jata hai and it is difficult to clean. It is difficult to get out all the the mustard oil and whatever. If people drop something on the bed, it is difficult to get it out. And staying here in the mountains, we don't have any urban claps or any services, so जो भी सफाई करनी होती है हम लोग को खुद ही करनी होती है. So that was the reason that I'm here in the room to check सब साफ है कि नहीं है. चले घुमा घुमा, चले चले जूली, घूमे घूमे, चलो let's go बेटा, let's go. She's very excited. So I come this side of the mountain for my evening walk. In fact, I'm coming here even for the morning walk. Somehow I like this side more because this is very sunny during winters and the other side is very cold, so I do not go there. So these dogs have a habit of running behind bikes and cars. So many times people come and complain कि आपके कुत्ते बहुत बदमाशी करते हैं, हमारे बाइक के पीछे भागते हैं, स्कूटी के पीछे भागते हैं, and all we can do is say sorry, because I come with them and I try to control them whenever they are with me, because these are free souls. ये लोग खुद भागते रहते हैं इधर उधर. I'm not there with them all the time when they are out of the campus. So कई बार इनकी complaints आती हैं and it is so embarrassing, I can't tell you. So Julie has enmity with a German shepherd that stays here. ये यहाँ के प्रधान का घर है, and somehow Julie doesn't like that dog. तो हमेशा यहाँ पे आके खड़ी हो जाती है and she looks around for him and she barks. I mean, frankly, I am very surprised that Damru and Bhairav उसकी तरफ नहीं जाते उसे काटने के लिए. But Julie is a very sweet girl, but somehow she really doesn't like him at all. She's waiting there कि वो आए तो मैं थोड़ा लड़ूं, but I think वो है नहीं अभी इधर. And now every dog here, all these groups of dogs, they have their own territory. तो ये वाला इन कुत्तों का territory है. And of course जब भी हम आते हैं तो ये ऊपर आते हैं लड़ने के लिए। कई बार लड़ाई भी हो जाती है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ऑलवेज वॉकिंग विद द लीश इन माई हैंड कि कभी लड़ाई हो। सो आई जस्ट पुल बैक डमरू। डमरू को अगर मैंने पुल बैक कर लिया तो इनकी लड़ाई रुक जाती है, बिकॉज डमरू इज नॉट द अल्फा ऑफ द अदर टू डॉग्स। बहुत बदमाश है, they come all the way up to fight. कुछ नहीं कर रहे। These two girls.
You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, won't you wait for me? Tonight I won't be coming home for you.
These dogs, they chase monkeys, they run up in the mountains. Yeah, Bhairav goes. So I sit here, I listen to the rustling leaves, the bird songs. It is so peaceful, and यहाँ पे internet भी नहीं आता है, so I don't even use my phone when I'm here. I'm basically, taking pictures and videos for those who follow me on Instagram. So जो भी आप मेरी morning, evening walk का videos and photos देखते हो, वो इसी तरफ की होती है। क्या देख लिया भैरव? While the dogs are, chasing monkeys or sniffing here and there, Julie always decides to come and sit here with me on the stones. Beautiful girl. Julie, are you scared? मेरे से चिपक के मेरी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए बैठी हो या खुद प्रोटेक्शन के लिए? She's clueless. Why Bhairav is barking? She has no clue. Her expressions tell us that इसे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. What is going on? There's this home here, एक local का. Again, for those who follow me on Instagram, you would know about this female dog that I was showing the other day, that she had given birth to 4 puppies. तो 2 puppies इन लोगों ने किसी और घर में दे दिए, and they are left with 2. So they also bark on us whenever we grow female. Look at that. 2 छोटू puppies. आजा, आजा लाली. The pups are very scared. They don't come near me, but that female dog is very friendly. हमें देख के पूछ लाती है. She comes and then she plays with the Bhairav and Dambu. And Julie is okay with her as long as she doesn't come too near me. The moment she comes near me, Julie gets a little jealous, I think, and she tries to scare her away. So this one is Bhairav. Bhairav, look here. This one is Bhairav. Damba, look here. Damba, look here, Damru. He's Damru. Damru. He's not ready to show his face. There he is. That's Damru. Everyone likes to take a nap after lunchtime, and उसका मज़ा ही अलग होता है. But it is not very healthy in a long run, because that leads to a lot of health problems. You tend to get sugar, you tend to gain weight, get a lot of belly fat. But my dogs, इनका timing exact 3:30 4 o'clock का fix है, and I have my lunch around say 2:30. So I never get to sleep during the afternoon. I am on a walk with them after half an hour, 40 minutes of having my lunch. So my lunch is digested properly, and I'm so happy for that. कि ऐसी आदत ही नहीं है, और ना ही ऐसा मौका मिलता है कि खाना खाने के बाद एकदम से सोया जाए. Look what I found. Cedar wood roses. I find them during my walk, because जिस तरफ मैं walk में आती हूँ यहाँ पे काफ़ी pine trees हैं. I truly feel blessed that I get to witness this beautiful sunset each and every day from my home. I'm so grateful for it. Got ready and left for Nainital as we have a dinner to attend at our friend's place. It was very cold outside and very windy, so we were in 2-3 layers, all wrapped up. A good set of warmers, caps and gloves, a warm fleece and a warm jacket is going to be lifesaver for you whenever you're traveling to the hills, especially during winters. Beautiful.
सब कुछ 100%. All alone. I mean, I have a helper here.
For those of you who have been to Nainital, you must have seen Modern Book and General Store in Malital. It's a 60-year-old bookshop, a very famous one owned by Abhimanyu and his mother. So all the woodwork that you see at Modern Book has been done by Abhimanyu. This is his passion. He has this beautiful lab here and he makes all different kind of wood art. This was very amazing.
Yeah, you put your finger there. इधर इधर
Oh, okay, sorry.
पढ़ी नहीं किया
Sorry. Oh my god. Ew, nails are looking dirty.
And you want to turn this into something. So this is a piece of tungsten carbide, which is the second hardest material just after diamonds.
Okay.
Like, so it can basically cut anything except diamonds
except diamond.
and
Okay.
tungsten.
बाप रे यार, पीछे हो जाओ.
अरे ये न्यूज़ में देखता हूँ यार
मतलब basically what you can do is you can put a piece of steel here, clamp करके, and यहाँ पे bit लग जाती है इसकी.
हाँ.
And then you can move it. तो ये आगे पीछे slot काट सकती है steel में. तो मैंने ये बनाया है.
इंजीनियरिंग में. Okay.
College में, but obviously not to this level.
My
Manipal, Karnataka.
हम प्रैक्टिस
A lot of practice यार.
पेरोजी क्या करते हैं
जो सबसे उस साइड वाला है वो बेसिकली वॉल्यूम कम करने के लिए यूज होता है, although connected नहीं है मेरा वाला.
I remember स्कूल में जब नन्स बजाती थी ना और जब वो जाती थी तो हम लोग चुपके से खोल के भी used to try and play it.
एकदम शाहरुख खान की तरह.
This is so cool. Technical machines and this guy is a genius. Oh my god. After that, we headed straight to his home for dinner. I did not capture anything inside because this is somebody's personal space. Hello, so it's the next day today. Last night we came home late, quite late, around say 11ish. We were very tired and then I slept. I couldn't take the closing of the video. So this was me, Yashika. Thank you so much if you've been watching till now. If you would like to see my mountain life, please consider subscribing to the channel and do let me know in the comment section how you found today's video. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye-bye.